Remington, who in 5 years has never done this before, is smelling every heater vent and like underneath the refrigerator. I've never seen him do this.
What do you smell, Remy? What do you smell?
Now Shelby keeps smelling the air, so we're thinking she smells something too. This is not good news.
If something rotten starts smelling in here, then I will definitely have to take it apart. So the dogs aren't sniffing that area anymore, but there is a smell, and I don't know if I'm just smelling things because I'm like hypersensitive to it now, but I think there's a smell coming from somewhere back there under the fridge, maybe behind that control panel, and maybe even back there by the heater. I found it. I'm pretty glad I found this thing. I know it sounds like kind of creepy that, yeah, I found a dead mouse, but I think I found the source of our stink. When you think about it, that is pretty freaking disgusting that that is trapped inside our heater. And whenever our heater was on, it was circulating air over a rotting mouse carcass. Okay, you little Canadian mouse, come on out. Look what I found, honey.
Okay, I can see from a distance.
Okay, it's not the next day, it's just several hours later. Do you smell anything in here, Rem? No? Nothing? Nothing in here? Nothing down here? Okay, give it a good once over. He's doing his part.